Good morning, boys and girls. My name is Pure Wizard, and yeah, today I'm gonna do my first video, so be nice. No, but anyway, I'm new to YouTube. I'm a big fan of PewDiePie and Tobuscus. Yeah. 'Cause like I I always wanted to be like them, like big and stuff like that. So I was thinking, why not try to start our own channel? So I'm gonna play games and stuff like that, just like they do. Like I'm not gonna do exactly like them. That will be like, yeah, you know what I mean. Anyway, so I'm gonna start playing games and stuff like that. So yeah. And by the way, I'm from Sweden, so don't be mean on my English. Thank you. Well, so it wasn't much. Thank you for looking at this video, and I hope I see you later. I will play Happy Wheels and stuff like that. So, see ya. By the way, you look so good. Oh my god. Yeah. No, just kidding. So yeah.